The wooden body is very delicate. In particular, the sole of the body needs to be conditioned carefully. It's sometimes affected even by the weather. So, to keep the sole in its best condition for as long as possible, you should avoid the followings: exposing the plane to direct sunlight and touching it with wet hands. You always have to be very careful with the blade. Rest the planes on their sides. Don't rest them blade down. When you carry a plane in a toolbox, retract the blade first to keep the cutting edge away from other metal objects. Retract the blade inside the body at the end of the day to protect the blade and to release the stress from the plane body. But you should know that no pressure at all is not good for the body either. So let the blade stay about 3 mm inside the mouth. These points are essential to keeping the body in its best condition. Store the plane in a cool place with low humidity. Storing the plane in a special bag is a great idea too, if you have one. If you want to extend the blade, hit the middle of the head with a hammer or a mallet. And the blade will start to come out from the sole. And if you want to retract the blade, however, hit the corner of the front of the body. And the blade will be drawn inside the sole. When you do this, you have to hit the left and the right sides alternately, like this. If you keep hitting the same spot, for example, only in the middle, like this, the body will crack. And some say you should hit the rear of the body to remove the blade. But this is wrong. Never hit the rear.